Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. So the latest chore on the old homestead is we've taken up a ton of concrete. It was probably 6 to 8 inches deep in most areas. We've filled 5 loads of concrete. We have to leave a little bit along the edge of the pool there. I just don't want this area to collapse. As you can see, there's quite a lip there. So I'm going to dig this concrete down an inch or two and bury it below. So in the short term, we're going to put a gravel here and gravel here. So we use the old four-wheeler to push that all out. Then we're going to do concrete board all on the foundation of the house there. There's a few cracks we're going to have sealed up. And then we'll do the concrete board along the edge to clean that up. As you can see how thick the concrete was there with the lip, where you see the paint. So we're going to smooth this out. Then we're going to get some 1/2-inch clear gravel to put down. New garage door. And we're going to have to put a little pad there to repair a little bit of the concrete underneath the door. And then the fence will come next around the perimeter of the pool and between the garage and the house. So what I've been doing with the four-wheeler is I'm trying to dig down a little bit with the plow on the four-wheeler. As you can see the little piles there. And what I'm going to do is pull some of this broken up concrete, the small bits. We're going to put it below the dirt here. And then we're probably going to end up having to put some landscape fabric down, because if not, the chunks of concrete seem to come up through the 1/2-inch clear gravel. So I don't want to deal with that down the road. And you can see how thick that concrete was. Here's my hand. This is actually some of the thinner stuff here. We've had some probably about this thick. So it's very, very heavy. If I was ever doing something like this again, we'd have an excavator and a dump truck. This took about 3 days to do. This concrete here actually lasted from the 60s until 2021. So this was put in around the time of the Vietnam War. Alright, so we're getting here. I spread it some out with a four-wheeler. We're going to push this pile over to there and here to clean this up. And he was able to tailgate a lot of it this direction. Another little pile here we're going to put alongside the house. And we're going to push some up in front of the garage doors there. So over the past couple of weeks, the Bombardier has spread out about 4 tons of sand, the white silica sand, and approximately 20 tons minus what was tailgate spread with the dump truck of 1/2-inch clear gravel. So it's time to get her all cleaned up, and we'll get the plow off till the winter time. So I'm using my Husqvarna pressure washer with my matte CC snow foam cannon, and it's a Chemical Guys cleaner. Just going to let that sit for a couple minutes and do its thing, and then we're going to hose her off. And clean, so I'm going to let it dry, then we'll get the plow off and put away till the plowing season, and hopefully quite a few months from now. Just wanted to get off some of the buildup from the old dust from the gravel. So in the fall I'll probably throw a quick coat of paint on it just to freshen her up. You can see wore off some of the paint from the gravel, but anyways, it was just another short video on plowing with the old four-wheeler. Just letting everybody know you can push gravel with this. You'll limit it to the amount you can do, but as you can see, it did a nice job here. So I'm quite pleased. This is where all the concrete came out and over there. So it flows nicely, and then maybe down the road we'll put a nice concrete pad or deck in the back here. That'll be next year's project. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. And on to the next project.